Homemade Kedgeree recipe, easy step-by-step guide with boiled eggs, UK style. Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a classic British dish that's not only delicious but also easy to make at home. We're talking about homemade kedgeree, a flavorful rice dish with the goodness of smoked fish and boiled eggs. So, let's start. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our homemade kedgeree. 1 cup of basmati rice. 2 cups of water for boiling rice. 1 pound of smoked haddock or any smoked fish of your choice. 4 eggs. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 cup of frozen peas. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Transition. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Start by boiling 2 cups of water and adding 1 cup of basmati rice. While the rice is cooking, place 4 eggs in a pot, cover them with water, and bring to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let them simmer for 10 minutes. After that, cool the eggs under cold water and peel them. Next, let's prepare our smoked fish. In a pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, add the finely chopped onion, and sauté until it's soft. Now, add the smoked haddock or your chosen smoked fish and cook until it's flaky. Remove the skin and bones, if any, and set aside. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of butter. Stir in 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, allowing the spices to release their flavors. Add the cooked rice, flaked fish, and frozen peas. Mix everything together and let it cook for a few minutes until the peas are heated through. Finally, season your kedgeree with salt and pepper to taste. Slice the boiled eggs and gently fold them into the rice mixture. Cook for an additional minute to ensure everything is well combined. And there you have it, our delicious homemade kedgeree. Title: Homemade Kedgeree Recipe, Easy Step-by-Step Guide with Boiled Eggs, UK Style. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us.